So in this video, we're going to talk about microclimate. Now, the farm, it's located in this department in Nicaragua called Matagalpa. Matagalpa is the city, okay? So the farm is in the department of Matagalpa, and when you drive out of the city, and as you get closer to the farm, you start to go up in elevation. And at the higher elevation, we come to find the microclimate, which means a cooler environment and also a climate that draws a lot of water, a lot of rainfall. Coffee loves an abundance of water. And then another thing that helps out our coffee to be great is the topography. So our farm, it's on a very hilly, steep topography. So coffee loves an abundance of water, yet it doesn't like to be in a swampy environment. So with the good drainage, high elevation, and the best suitable microclimate, you get this beautiful, amazing coffee. And that's what La Dalia coffee is. Thank you for watching.